With hundreds of metaverse cryptocurrencies and projects on the market, it can be difficult to separate the signal from the noise, and knowing which projects will be around for years to come and generate 10x profits. That's the goal of today's video, where we dig into 7 metaverse projects worth investing in, from the most stable to the riskiest. Now, let's start our review of the top 7 crypto tokens in the metaverse to invest $1,000. We start with the most popular and stable investment in the metaverse space. Number 7. Decentraland. Metaverse tokens include Mana, which is used on the Decentraland metaverse platform, and Sand, a coin on the land in the metaverse known as the Sandbox. You can use both cryptocurrencies to buy land and in-game items on their respective metaverse platforms. The two surged in November 2021 when Facebook shifted its business into creating the metaverse to the point of renaming itself Meta, and a new tsunami of money spilled over to competing platforms for the metaverse. An investor who bought Mana in 2017 would have had a return of nearly 12,000% today, according to CoinMarketCap. In the past year alone, it's up nearly 4,000% from about 8 cents to $3.27. Meanwhile, investors who buy Sand at launch would have earned almost 45,600% of today's profits. Last year, Sand grew by 9,400%. Decentraland Mana is a virtual reality platform powered by the Ethereum blockchain. It enables users to create, experience, and generate revenue from content and apps. It's based on the concept of a metaverse from Neal Stephenson's book, Snow Crash. However, this blockchain project involves more than just virtual reality. However, it's just not that simple. Decentraland was one of the first projects to create a new kind of world, the decentralized internet. Unlike traditional online spaces like Facebook or Twitter, the people at Decentraland will actually own their digital assets. And like other virtual reality platforms, you can explore and interact with people around the world and immerse yourself in social VR experiences. But what makes this project even more revolutionary is the use of blockchain technology to enable everything from buying land to making transactions on the platform itself. Decentraland's goal is to create an open source system so users can build whatever they want in this decentralized virtual space, be it virtual shops, online casinos, social media platforms, or anything else you can imagine. Since the start of this year, both tokens have lost value in the metaverse, as has the broader crypto market. Mana is down about 7% since the start of the year, while Sand is down more than 36% against prices in early January. But many still think they have potential. Decentraland is one of the most popular metaverses with around 300,000 users per month. Fortune 500 companies such as JP Morgan, Chase, and Samsung have set up shop within the service. This includes building virtual structures. User avatars can enter them and create experiences such as virtual casinos, art galleries, or concert halls. Establishing a presence in Decentraland requires purchasing land, the cheapest of which costs 2.88 Ether, or about $8,500 according to Parcel, which tracks land prices in the metaverse. Some of the most expensive properties have sold for millions of dollars. Next on our list is our personal favorite. Number 6. Sandbox. In the Sandbox, another virtual metaverse, users can also buy land and create gaming experiences to earn money. Celebrities like Snoop Dogg and brands like The Walking Dead have a place in the Sandbox. In November, the platform said it had 30,000 monthly active users. The minimum price for a plot of land in the Sandbox is 3.66 Ether, or $10,559 according to Metametric Solutions, which tracks plot prices on the metaverse. John Doe, a cryptocurrency analyst for Currency.com, said the key to a successful token in the metaverse is its utility. Giving people something to spend their tokens on gives this symbol more resilience. More important to the token's success is that people can create games to win games on this metaverse platform. In Decentraland and the Sandbox, users can earn local cryptocurrencies while playing and then spend them or convert them into US dollars or other currencies. Such games can attract large numbers of players to certain cryptos. Overall, according to service company Accenture, the gaming industry generated global sales of $300 billion. For metaverses, capturing just a part of this market will help create a large crypto economy within it. In general, investment banks predict that the metaverse will become a giant cash cow. JP Morgan estimates that market opportunities in the metaverse could cost $1 trillion per year for the next few years. Morgan Stanley is even more optimistic, saying in a note to investors that the metaverse could cost $8 trillion in China alone in the future, though technological and regulatory hurdles could make it slow to roll out. Next on our list. Number 5. Ducky Land. Ducky Land is a metaverse platform multiplayer online game that can be played on PC, Android, iOS, and VR. It runs on the blockchain, and each ducky is a must-have token or NFT. Millions of people can participate in the NFT world and earn reward tokens through skillful gameplay and ecosystem contribution. Ducky Land was inspired by everyone's love for duck memes, duck emojis, duck heroes, and everything duck-related. In Ducky Land, players can gather, fight, raise, create, and become the king of ducks. Ducky Land gives players ownership of in-game assets and allows them to increase their value by actively playing the game. By participating in the game economy, players receive rewards and create more value for other players and the ecosystem. The rewards for these digital assets are cryptocurrencies and in-game resources tokenized on the blockchain, which can become a new source of income for many, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. Another one we're watching closely. Number 4. Metalaunch. Metalaunch, powered by Asva Labs, is the first multi-chain metaverse homepage and accelerator. It provides a strategic framework for fundraising and growth to propel the cyber and gambling economy forward. The Asvaverse ecosystem also includes MetaFi, DeFi use cases, virtual marketplaces, and play-to-earn guild integrations. As Metalaunch prepares to launch new projects in the metaverse sector, Asva Ventures will complement its mission with a growth framework that leverages a broad network of industry professionals and investors. Asva Ventures is the VC arm of Asva Labs, also the company that powers Metalaunch. Just a quick reminder that if you enjoy this type of content, be sure to subscribe as it really helps out the channel. On to the next one. Number 3. Wida. Wida was the first company by Decom Holdings Pte. Decom Holdings Pte, headquartered in Singapore, specializes in advising on blockchain solutions and investing DeFi projects, providing clients with secure and high-quality services. Always a forward-thinking company, Wida works for an open metaverse where everyone and everything is connected online while offline. With that in mind, the company raised $25 million in 2021 by backing companies like Hashkey, Eternity Ventures, Bitscale, Ubi, and Morningstar Ventures. Wida is also working through IronSail, a subsidiary that raises funds to invest on blockchain gaming projects. In 2022, Wida is expected to launch more projects in the open metaverse. Given the trend of the metaverse, more and more organizations will join this space. They're positioned as one of the pioneering teams driving the popularity of metaverse. Next, we have Number 2. MetaHero. MetaHero is described as a gateway to the metaverse. The project intends to use Ultra HD photogrammetric scanning technology to attract the next 10 million new users to cryptocurrency. MetaHero has partnered with Wolf Studio, a global leader in 3D scanning, to work on the project. The introduction of meta scanners to the metaverse has created many applications such as 3D printing, network scanning, and game character creation. The MetaHero team has released their 4K HD scanner, but they're working on upgrading to 16K Ultra HD. Despite its recent bearish performance, Hero is up more than 1900% from its all-time low of 0.0053 cents. Hero has a market cap of $572 million and would be considered a small cap stock on the stock market. And the final one on our list. Number 1. Red Fox. RFox was developed by Red Fox Labs, a technology company. It's currently building virtual spaces for commercial use. It goes by the ticker symbol FROX or FROX. The team wants RFox to be a global leader in immersive metaverse experiences with a focus on retail, media, gaming, and rewards. The project works on a dual token system, using RFox tokens to buy land and virtual assets, while VFox is an ecosystem reward token, RFox is a metaverse project to watch in 2022 because the team hasn't finished building it yet. The team is currently developing various products including RFox Finance and RFox Games. These products are designed to complement Metaverse Ultimate. RFox has a market cap of just $115 million and thus is considered to be a penny stock if it was a stock in the stock market. We would rate this the riskiest investment on our list. There we have it, 7 metaverse investments that are primed for massive upside. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the screen and watch the next video, How to Make Money in the Metaverse. Make $100,000 a year, as I'm sure you'll find that worthwhile to watch as well.